Hey guys, it's Joe here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create the best designs for your clothing brand. Let's get straight into it. Step 1 is research and inspiration. So when you're first starting out your clothing brand, you don't want to instantly start going out to make designs or creating your website or posting content. You need to do your research and really gain clarity on kind of what you want your clothing brand to be in your designs. So what I did when I first started my clothing brand was I'd go on Pinterest, I'd look at like famous clothing brands, up and coming clothing brands, go on TikTok, Instagram, and find designs that I liked personally. And then what I did with those designs that I found, so I'd have like hundreds that I liked, I'd put it into like a Word document or something, put pictures of all of them into the Word document, and when I was creating my designs eventually, I would just have the Word document next to me, just so every time I'm like stuck for ideas, I look at the Word document and think, all right, yeah, I could add that into my designs. With the research part, that's just about researching current trends, which yeah, again, you can do on TikTok, Instagram, find what people are liking. So like last year, year before, puff prints came out, and that was the trend. So yeah, doing your research on current trends is really vital. Step 2 is sketching and conceptualizing. So once you have your inspiration, literally all you have to do is get a pen and paper and just jot down any ideas that you have. Either jot them down if you can't really think of how to draw it, or even better, which I highly recommend doing over just writing it down, is actually drawing the ideas and getting an idea of what you really want. Now, in this stage, you don't have to worry about perfection. It's just sketching down an idea so you have a clear idea in your head. Step 3 is actually creating the designs on any app like Procreate, Photoshop or Illustrator. So once you've sketched down 10 ideas, you want to pick 5 of your favorite. This is the method that I used to when I was creating my clothing brand. Once you've got 10 ideas, pick 5 of your favorites, create one design for each one of the 5. So then you'll have 5 designs. And then when you've got 5 designs, what I want you to do is add or change 10 different things to each design. And then that will get you your perfect design. Now it's going to be hard once you've changed about 7 or 8 things. You're going to be like, I'm stuck. I can't think of anything else to do. Those next 2 ideas will so when you've got your 9th and 10th idea, those will be the ones that really elevate your designs and make them the perfect one. Just trust me, try it out. You'll see what I mean. Now guys, that will be the end of the video. I'll put a quick summary on the screen for you just so you don't have to go back over the video and rewatch it. I'll quickly summarize all the points that I made. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.